Hey guys, Gary with RPM Diecast, and today we're doing this Mazda RX-7. Really nice, from Hot Wheels. And now this one, the cards, someone tacked it. So there's a bunch of holes on it, and the J-hook's broken, but I'm gonna crack it anyway. This was released in 2018. It's got these lace rims on it. And the only recolor was this green one here. Was the only recolor of this card of this year, which was again 2018. But yeah, I'm gonna go crack this open, and then we'll come back after. That was the Hot Wheels Mazda RX-7 with the nice lace rims on it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and keep on collecting.